This is the Western Maryland Spring Garden Railroad Swing Bridge across the Spring Garden Channel or Middle Beach or Middle Branch of the Patapsco River in Baltimore, Maryland. And it's abandoned though. And look at the tracks. Look at the detail of it, understand? And this is a good one too. So the reason why it swung open and it stayed open because it's abandoned and it's not used. So, but it's kept in a open position. Now this bridge is located in again Baltimore, Maryland.